But then this time you were first. Hell yeah, man. Good morning, dude. What up, D, Kenny, Deanna, Jake? What's up, guys? Good morning, everybody. Jump on in, get comfortable. Nathan, thanks for liking the stream already, man. Great way to start off the day. Everyone, if you could, like the stream. It's going to push us to the front of all the groups that we're going to be shared to. So if you could, go ahead and share us to one of your favorite groups, because now it'll qualify you for our giveaway, which is a $25 Amazon gift card, which is going to be decided through Monday through Tuesday, which is on Monday. If you are following the page, if you like the group, and if you share this video, the Monday Stock Talk Live video, anywhere throughout the day, if you get in here this morning, if you get in here in the middle of the video, if you get in here at the end of the video, if you come like even after it's live, if you share the video, if you are following the page, if you're sharing the, follow the page, liking the group, and share the video, qualifies you for the $25 gift card, which we will announce the winner tomorrow after the show. And so go ahead and get that all going, get comfortable, say good morning to everybody. I'm just going to go ahead and just give our last little, the last shares, share the group. We are live. Let's all talk stuff. Alrighty. Oh, son of a gun. I made this mistake last time, so what I do is I'll goes myself. Check this out there, guys. Hell yeah, Clay. Thanks for sharing the stream. Just like that, guys. We are live. Let's talk stock. Alright, I'm only going to do it to my two groups that I'm familiar with, which is my Stock Market 2020, and then I have a streamer supported group, which they also help out. They actually have a good few amount of followers now that have come from the streamers group growing, and they've done a good effort in helping us grow, and it's an amazing group in general. So yeah, we're gonna get this taking off. It's 5:30 already. Look at that. It is time. Man, time flew by. So what's up, guys? Andrew, thanks for sharing the stream, guys. So yes, if you didn't hear already, we have new rules for the $25 Amazon gift card giveaway. So let's go ahead, let's transfer on over here. Let's get the music all quiet, and let's go ahead and just tell the rules one more time before we get the show going. If you are following the page, if you like the group already, and you share Monday's Stock Talk Live, you get qualified for the $25 gift card giveaway, which will be announced tomorrow after the stream. But all you have to do is just be here with us kicking it. Of course, you know, to qualify, you don't have to be here, because you just have to like us, share us. But I would like to think that you are getting the full experience and that you are here with us. So yes, good morning, everybody. How's it going? Oh my goodness, what a night to wake up from, right? Oh my goodness, what a weekend. It was insane. Can't hear you that good, brother. All right, good, heads up. Lower the music. Music's down. All right, how about that? Give me a good test 1 2, everybody. How we looking? I see this. Let me just double check that we're going through the correct speaker system. Yeah. All right. All right, guys. Yeah, good morning. So it's been a crazy weekend. Yesterday, Friday ended with how did it go? Finding out about Sorrento. We found out Sorrento Friday. Here, let me get a little more comfortable here. And so, what Sorrento has brought us was this craziness that you can see. Let's see, after hours, it went up $2,000 in the after hours. Like, how insane is that? Like, when does that normally happen? So yes, if you weren't here with us on Friday, we found out about Sorrento literally in the day. Johnny, thanks for hitting the follow, buddy. Glad to have you part of the stock family here. But yeah, we found out about Sorrento midday. If you go back to Friday's video, you can find it about in the 1 hour 23-minute mark. I believe it was Albert who brought it up to us in the chat, and he yeah, he just gave us a quick shout out of early in the morning. Hey, take a look at the Sorrento. It's taken off already. It was at $4 when he brought it up. It was at $4 flat even. I ended up being able to jump on it at $4.60. Like, if you watch the video, you'll see it got a little chaotic to a certain degree, because I'm like, oh, my money's already placed in places, and I'm just like, look at this Sorrento. Like, I'm all about the woulda, coulda, shoulda. You know, like, if I didn't get on it, you know, let's not kick ourselves in the butt too hard about it. If there's anyone out there that didn't get in on it, don't kick yourself too hard in the butt about it. Like, there's always going to be opportunities in the stock market, okay, guys? Like, and the mere fact that something was missed is just, it comes with the stock market, guys. It's nothing to kill yourself over here. Aaron, thanks for hitting that follow. You're gonna love it here, dude. Somebody give that guy a hug. All right. But yes, we were able to buy 854 shares of the like I said, Sorrento. Stuff's doing amazing. Closed at 720. Boot, like, oh my goodness, dude. I woke up in the middle of the night, like at 1:30 a.m. over here, Pacific, and just used the restroom, and I looked down at my phone, and all of a sudden Sorrento's up at $9, and I'm just like, I'm gonna go back to sleep with some good dreams tonight. Like, man, dude, like, you're usually a hit and miss when it comes to waking up in the middle of the night using the restroom to, should I look at my phone? Like, you know, it's like there's nothing you can do about it. Like, should you be looking at your phone? And you know, I went against my better. Belinda, thank you for liking the stream. Things like that help us get noticed, guys. But yeah, I looked at it and I saw a 9. I saw the account was looking up all in the plus. It was looking beautiful. It's been a good morning so far, guys. So what things we're gonna really be talking about right now is yeah, did it really actually hit 10? Dude, if it actually touched 10, then it's gonna be, oh my goodness, I can see it going back to it. But now the question is, on my end, is see, now this is the question: if it's hit a hold or sell or anything like that. Normally I would say this would be a hold. Sorrento is sounding so damn promising right now that it is it's gonna be, it sounds like it is gonna be what helps us out here, to the point. Whoa, I missed a big step, everybody. Big step. All right, we're caught up. All right, but yeah, oh man, it hit 1030. Let's see. Okay, it touched 10. That's insane. So I'm gonna share with you what I'm gonna do. This isn't what everyone needs. Like, you know, this isn't the must or anything like that. This is what I'm gonna do. So I'm finding a lot of great articles about Sorrento. It's very extremely promising. Like, it's to the point where, like, you know, if you jumped off and it kept going, you'd kick yourself in the butt about it. But you know what? I practiced the woulda, coulda, shoulda, and with how I'm looking at it, I may just wait for the stocks to open up and see which way direction it goes quick. And like, it's obviously going up. I'm gonna let it do its thing. I'm gonna watch it. But if it drops, if I see it start going down towards $7 again, like if I see it go drastic, like, I might just toss it, because like I said, let me show you my portfolio currently. I used a lot of margin when it came to this one. Jessica, thanks for the follow. Laura as well, thank you for liking the stream. Guys, we have all this family just surrounding us. This is amazing. But yeah, so we're right here right now, and my conundrum is I use so much margin that I'm at a point where I'm like, should I just use this great wave to get out of where I was? And like, you know, I had some little dips right there at the beginning, but this is a great one to bring you out of it. Great one to start over. This is a great portfolio maker right here. And I'm debating about, I'm like, should I just jump at the top of the spike and reinvest elsewhere? And it's starting to sound a little tempting to do. I think it might be what I do, especially hearing with it topping so high. But my goodness, that is just showing the capacity of what it can turn into as well at the same time. Like, I've watched the interviews with this company so far, and it sounds like they got their stuff right. They're very confident in this. It's no ifs, whats, or buts. They're using the term 100%, guys. Like, when you're in a lab form, you know how rare it is that you can use those numbers. Like, like even to them, they would be saying 99%, like normally you would think, right? They're using the words 100%. And with their track record, like how long they've been around for the past 5 years and things like that. Very structured job, like structured business, very structured. And now that they got this breakthrough, I think that, oh my goodness, guys, it's going to be amazing. Elizabeth, thank you for liking the stream. Heck yeah, guys. Let's see. Actually, let me go down the list real quick, guys, because this stream is doing off so well that I usually do my shout outs to anyone that is joining the Stock Fam within the morning. So hit follow if you haven't already, because I'm about to go down the list of names that, if you want to have your name even attempted real quick right here, this is it. So in the last 10 minutes, we've had Nathan, Blue, Clay, Michael, Angela, Shawl, Andrea, Amit, Nigel, Crystal, Diane, Eddie, Grace. We've had Tony, Johnny, Herb, Olo, Chris, Aaron, Belinda, Chris, Jackson, Kyle, Robert, Steve, D again, of course, Jessica, Trisha, Jimmy, Lowell, Marco, Nikki, Elizabeth, Brian, Brad, Dale, Chris, Fernando, Zach, Nick, Nichelle, T, Boxing, Josh, and Yesenia. Oh my goodness, I'm so sorry for butchering that. Yesenia. That's a very beautiful name. Yesenia. Yesenia. It's even a bit more beautiful than it was the first time. Yesenia. Yesenia. That's Yesenia, beautiful name. I want to see that back here in the chat. All right. All right, guys. But yeah, thank you for liking the stream. Thank you for showing the love. So let's go ahead and get into the stock talk. My goodness. So yeah, guys. That name of the game when it called that Sorrento, like this is some insane stuff, guys. Like you said, it hit 10. Thoughts on shooting up since Friday? I think what is it when it comes to DraftKings is probably going to settle around probably 31. I think it's at a great settle right now. I think it might push 31. I only think that because as of Friday they gave the bullish one analyst gave it the highest mark of T-Boxing. Thanks for that follow, man. Hell yeah. But one analyst gave it the highest rating so far of the $33, right? But it was only one analyst so far. It gave it its jump. I believe it's also the one analyst that's going to help kind of tip this towards that 33, but I don't think it's going to get there all alone because of his one analysis. But I think his analysis is helping it push in that direction. It had more than a few articles. So I really think it's going to lean towards more like, 31 is where I think it'll be. 30, 31. If we ever see it hovering down 27, 26, that's when you grab it. But even right now, even when it comes to DraftKings, oh shit, dude, they're 31.42. Oh my goodness, you know what? I take a little bit of it back. So I said this with the expectations of today being, Monday. I forgot that when I woke up this morning, I'm hearing that the Dow is doing amazing compared to last week. Like it's making up for whatever it's lost. Like last week's Monday was Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Like we had a 3-day Monday last week. It was insane. But today, yes, I think we might have a green Monday, everybody. When it comes to Sorrento, it's all about when it tops off. It's going to stay green, like accordingly. Like it's more of depending on when I want to top off on profits. But I think today might be a green day, guys. This might be insane. NASCAR started already. Hell yeah. Speculated to be 35. You can easily get to 35. Especially when sports goes up, it's going to go up, but it's still at a healthy price right now. 30. Yeah. You know what? Maybe this is the way we can look at it. Without the sports right now, maybe 30 is a healthy price right now because it's doing it with CSGO. It's doing it with esports, all this stuff. It's still able to work, but as the sports are released, it's going to go up. And it doesn't even matter if it's within reason. We have hit a new point with, what is it? Oh my goodness, investors. Scott, thanks for following the stream, buddy. Welcome to the stock family. But no, we have reached a new point when it comes to new investors that almost certain things aren't making sense anymore. It's almost like you would think things would go down, but there was so much hype in these articles, back-to-back articles, that all these new investors are making it show that they're here. Because certain things just aren't dying. There are things that you would have expected to go down, just like no one to be touching it. And these investors, like, what is it? When it comes to like the airline industries, the cruise industries, and everything like that, they would be much lower than they were right now, probably by like $3 easily. Hey, Brad, thanks for sharing the stream, dude. That's gonna help qualify you for that $25 Amazon gift card giveaway. All right, guys. Hey, keep that in mind. If you haven't read about it, it's in the description, wherever that description's at currently. All right, but yes. Shauna, thanks for liking the stream. But yeah, guys, Sorrento is going to be an amazing story to watch today. I'm going to enter this with the mentality that I'm going to, you know what, $1,000 regardless. $1,000. I don't want to drop below the profits. Like I said, when it comes to here, I had a good dip. Whoop, 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 whoop. And then I want to make it just, you know, it's a great way to just start off on the top. Go from there. I like it. I've had great little moments, but this one, oh my goodness! And I keep saying I'm debating about it, but Sorrento just keeps going up, guys. So I'm debating about. Oh gosh, it's quite the debate. It's more of if it looks just too healthy, sexy, I might not be able to resist it, guys. And that's like I said. In my scenario, because I'm using my margin for the sell. All right. So yes. Let me come back over to here a bit. Let's see. We are 15 minutes till. Let me just read a little bit on our chats. We got. What up, Chris? How's it going? Thoughts on the? Yep, shooting up. I believe, like I said, like I forgot how healthy everything's doing right now. I think DraftKings could hit 35 after its momentum. Like now. A green Monday. God, guys, today's gonna be beautiful. Yeah. Michael says, "Daddy, son." Yeah, saying you thanks. No problem. Like I said, that was a great name. See, even Michael's like, look at. All right, DraftKings is right now. Yep, at the 3140. It is doing. Still rising. It's guys. What a beautiful day today will be. Right. Let's just make sure we're staying on top of things. Now, here's the one thing I'm also hesitant about doing is putting a stop loss on these because look at, say you have a stop loss on such things at a time and it goes bleep, just blimps on the bottom for a moment, then it's gone, and things like that are just going to screw things up. Hey, D Patel, thanks for sharing the stream. Doing that is going to get you qualified for the giveaway. I already assume you are, you know, following the page and liking the group and everything because. It's D, everybody. D's been around since the beginning. Natasha, thanks for sharing the stream. Like, same. I said, if you're following the group, liking the page and all, or vice versa, follow page, like group, share stream, qualifies you for that giveaway. All right. Uzma, thanks for following. What's up? What's up? So yeah, the NASCAR started. Hell yeah. Yep. Woke up to money, Brad. Dude, great feeling, right? Oh yeah. Good morning indeed. Don't see the option to share. All I see is up and love, guys. Oh wait, D, you found it out. I saw your thing over there. Yeah, you shared. You figured it out. You didn't need the help unless somebody helped him out. Morning, Daniel. What's up, bud? I'm thinking may hit 13 to 14, but I don't know. You know what, dude? With this momentum and how green, like, it might even be contributing to it. Having such a promising, like, I'm more surprised that I'm not seeing more news about it. Like I could picture normally like a great stock market would reflect on a possible cure and things like this. So I'm surprised that it's like it's writing healthy as if it had the news and the articles and things like that. Like if I saw more articles right now, like within the last 2 hours, just saying, "Hey, Sorrento, look at this." Oh my god, dude. Yeah, oh my goodness, it'll be a whole new level of craziness. I love it. Daniel, thanks for liking the stream, dude. Or not liking, sharing. That qualifies you for the giveaway. All right. Sorrento news. This is what we usually do to see our articles. 6 hours ago, Sorrento Therapeutics expects to have a replicating cell line to incorporate this protein. All right, let's see what we got here. Yes. Status, Sorrento. Entered the research testing. Yep, we know that. Candidates and counting. Okay, this is more of just a small, just acknowledging what they did. Spike surges on antibody shield 3 hours ago. Sorrento surges on antibody shield trials. All right, it surges again. So yes, I think we're gonna have another Friday here today on Monday. Wade, thank you for dude being a new follower, being part of the Stock Talk family, guys. Hell yeah, you're gonna feel welcome in no time. Seriously, like before you know it, you'll be saying good morning here to everybody. All right. Good day. What's up, Danny? Brett Jackson, what's up, buddy? I'm glad to have you back, man. So let's see. Moving on, we'll see Manura. Manura. Thanks for sharing. So let me double check what this one was. Mon. What? Mon. Try to remember what you're going at. This. Moderna. I think that's what you're going for, right? Moderna 80. Holy shenanigans! That is some beauty. Look at that. Well, 21 after hours, guys. Holy hell. What do I think about Moderna? It's always been 100% buy rating practically. It's a little bit on the hold now because it jumps so high, but Moderna's experimental with the COVID shows promise in early stage study. So I think both doc stores, both, okay. Maybe we have to ride Moderna and our, damn it, Sorrento today, guys. Like, Moderna is shot up $20 overnight. Like, how in the hell? Like, that must have been some amazing breakthroughs. All right, Herb, thanks for liking, not just liking, but sharing the stream. That also qualifies you most likely for the a giveaway here. Reports positive data entry. Yeah, 1 hour, 10 minutes ago. But Moderna could, I think Moderna could hit 100 if it's gonna just shoot 88 like that. Maybe I'll probably throw some down. But like I said, that'll only be depending on what's happening over here on this side. Right now, Sorrento's looking so sexy that I really don't need to mess with it. Followed by DraftKings, just keep letting it go, let it flow. We're 10 minutes till the pre-market. Oh god, this is just beautiful. Let's just talk, guys. I'm gonna do my best to not feel the need to jump ship, but if it, my god, guys, if it, Sorrento, somebody keep me in mind on the side when some tips hit, guys, because it's gonna be amazing. Open 3 resorts today with ERE. ERE, that was the El Dorado. Oh, they might also overnight $3 a bit. For a $25 stock, get open.
Oh, thanks for sharing.
All right, you know, I could see it touching the 26 easy coming back around here. Look at that. Boop. A little higher. Yep. So, you know, maybe $5 more easy on that overnight. When it comes to that El Dorado, that's my guess. Shane, thanks for doing all that. Michael, same for you with the follow. Welcome to the stock family, buddy. Oh my goodness. So yeah, like as you saw, Shane, Herb, all them sharing the stream, that will get you put in for the giveaway. So if you're like, hey, why the hell is everyone sharing this? It's not that amusing. It's because of that. No, I'm joking. We're doing fantastic here. All right, Andrew, thanks for following. All right, welcome to the stock family. So we have the Sorrento there. Let's look up the draft real quick. Let's see if they got any new news. Just going off this morning, 18 hours. Yep, we got the NASCAR starting. DraftKings post weaker than expected. That was the day ago, 17. 4 related stocks set to rebound. Yeah, sports. Like, yeah, no, like after Sorrento, I might even just go all into DraftKings to see, like, well, probably at the lowest. I don't even know how low I can get a good intro into DraftKings now. Like you said, it might be 35. It's rising pretty damn fast right now. Like by the time I'm done with Sorrento, DraftKings might even be at 32, 33. Like it's really very likely. All right. Hey, AFO, thanks for following, being part of the stock family, guys. Andrew, thanks for, yeah, interesting video. I do my best to make it as interesting as I at least can make it. It's legit just what it is. It's talking stocks with you guys. It's like, it's an interest of mine, it's an interest of yours. Just getting a second opinion, just shooting ideas off each other. Everyone here in the chat, it's all live for you. This is my concept here, guys. I hope you guys take advantage of this platform. And you, like I said, this is for you guys to come in, say good morning, everyone. Samantha, thanks for following, being part of the stock family. But yes, this is all not just for me, guys. This is for all of us, all right? And I'm trying my best to keep this up. I'm going to do my best to keep this up. My buddy Nathan Kashal, you'll see him over in the chat over there. We are all doing our best to keep this going healthy, and for all of you guys, all right? If you can, give them all thank you, all right? They are helping me. Like, they are like practically volunteering right now, guys, to help me out. So Kashal, Nathan, can't thank you guys enough, buddy. Can't thank you guys enough. Let's see. Moving on, Penn. Nick, what are you thinking about Penn? What are you looking at, man? That's just because of the gaming. You know what? It's moving closer and closer. I think this might be the month to do it, because like if it wasn't already, like let's see here. Yeah, it's coming back. I think things like this, restaurants, casinos, all that leisure, you're gonna want to buy those a full month before they're in operation. A full month. Because they're gonna each week they're gonna have the plus $5, plus $3, and all that stuff leading up to it. So do we think that this is the bottom before, like I mean, like, you know, how it's been prior? Do we think this is where we start moving on up? I think it possibly could be. Like, we are seeing some very healthy information on turning around from the COVID. Very healthy information from the stock market reflecting it. Like, honest to God, guys, like normally I would, you know, I'd be a little more skeptic right now about, you know, the next year down the road. And, you know, yes, stocks aren't coming back to what they used to be right now. And that's an awesome thing to being able to anticipate and know, so you know what to buy and everything. But right now, currently, it's, I think we are on a slow recovery here. I don't want to say here on out, but it's very possible. Like I said, with all this promising news that we got right now on the COVID shield and everything like that. And like I just read Moderna having promising things. Like, we are moving on very well to this cure, and I think the stocks are following well behind it with staying healthy. Exit on Penn, is that what you're mainly going on this one? Okay. Let's see, when did you buy in on it mainly? Like, if you're just gonna ride it till it opens up, like, that's the thing, dude. Like, things like Penn National Gaming is more of a long hold is what it is, because you want them to start opening up and build it up. I would say exit, possibly, like I said, it's gonna be nothing but gains while they're on the open, possibly. If you want to jump off, like, it's got a great increase right now. Like, what is it right here? Let's see. Green. It's gonna go up a little further. I would think, like I said, overnight it went, yep, the $2. Maybe let go of it at 25 or something like that. Like, but that's only for a quick flip. I don't know when it'll hit 25. Maybe in the next 5 days, actually. But I'm more so towards, like, so this right here is a long hold, is what I would think, because when this opens back up, it's going to be triple, quadruple what it's worth and things like that. Quick grab for sure. It's going to go nowhere but up eventually here. But remember, it's also been quite the roller coaster before it. But no, I feel like we're at a comfort level with starting to order such things. I'm still waiting on oil and things like that. I'm not going to dabble too much in that one myself. But yeah, I feel like as long as you got a good exit from whenever you opened up on that one, man, you can't mess up on it. Homework on Sorrento company history. Dude, what is it? When it comes to Sorrento, they actually are very promising. They have news for the past 5 years. They've held stronger at one point, but it's only because, like, they are they're trying to do the breakthroughs with cancer is what they're doing. And so, you know, look back the year, like, you know, they've had their research and development. They've been funded well, and look at 5 years back. They, you know, boom. Look at this consistency, right? I call this pretty consistent. In the last, you know, end of the year, it's been insane, especially since they were only looking at cancer things, and then they had to transfer it on over towards looking at a whole different thing. But no, I think Sorrento, when it comes towards stability, I don't think they're going to drop to what they started at, like 275. I think that's done. I don't think we're going to drop anywhere below $4.40, $5. Like, nowhere near it. Like, it's so like, you know, if it was a dud, if this whole scenario wasn't even, like, if it just wasn't real, that's when it would drop back down. And like, not even just that, they would probably go down to $2 because they lost the faith. But this is promising, guys. This is actual data work. They're explaining the science. This is some beautiful, sexy stuff they got going on, guys. So we're going to continue letting that watch rise. Like I'm hearing people thinking Sorrento's going to hit high. I think it'll hit high too. I think it may have some dips and waves before then. But yeah, depending on what it hits, I myself may have to jump before the end of the day because of my margin. I want to be safer on my margin levels. This is me. I may kick myself in the butt about it. I just might. But you know what? Woulda, coulda, shoulda is a thing I try to encourage here, and it's about not riding yourself in the ground about things. Tomer, thanks for hitting follow, buddy. Welcome to the stock family, man. Chandra, thanks for liking the stream as well. Things like liking the stream, loving it, that right there helps us get pushed up in all of these groups you share us to. Gets pushed up right to the top. And not even just that. Comments, talking with us, talk to each other. It doesn't all have to be to me. Like I love looking down and I'm here, Jen, look at DraftKings info. Like people are talking to each other. I'm loving it. Hey, Philomena, what's up? Good morning. Does anyone know if Mohegan Sun or Foxwoods are stock companies? We can get that answer for you real fast. Especially since what is it? Stocks are about to open. It's moving on to 6 o'clock post standard time right over here. Foxwood stock. Foxwood is owned by Mashantucket, Hackquote, with the flip, Hackquote, stock. I guess you know what? With the name like that, it almost sounds like it's an Indian reservation. Do Indian reservations? Do they have stock? It is an Indian reservation. I don't think so. Profit. Yep, exactly. Macy is recovering. Macy. Well, I think Macy is practically filling up the hole that JCPenney's left. Is possibly what it is. What do I think about Cisco? It's gonna go up, dude. Cisco is just it's telecommunications. This is the year of it. If it does a little wave here for the week or the month, whatever. Cisco is a hold for the year. Heavy hold. It's gonna grow more so than it has. It's gonna find its niche. It is an Indian tribe. Yeah, I'm believing that possibly because of that it won't. I might assume the other one you named off as well, Philomena, is also Foxwoods. Mohegan Suns. Yeah, I think you might be Mohegan Sun. I'm pretty sure that's also another you know what? I'm going half. I'm half-assing. Let's go all the way. Afghan Sun stock. Let me just double check. Who owns it? Same company? Is an American casino. Mohegan tribe, but it's still a tribe. Stock. I guess they don't do stock. Well, why would you if you're just making profits, right? All right. Yeah, of course, Belinda. No problem at all. All right. What is going on with oil? It's actually slowly coming back, but there's this one thing I saw on crude oil. Well, let me share with you this picture right here. Very weird. So yeah, markets are about to open, guys. So just give me a second. I will share with you one last picture before so. StockTalk pictures. Oh wait, no. Document that. USO. Yeah, look at this. So this says United States oil quote USO is equal to 22.39 based on forecast long-term expected prognosis for 5 years from now is flat $2 profit. With a 5-year investment of putting down $100, you're looking at $8 profit. That was an insane thing to read. So that alone was, I'm just like, what the hell? Like, as untrue as it might be, this is the first thing looking up USO stock price, stock target. First thing, very top of Google. That's not going to help it out at all. It's like things like that. It makes me just not want to touch it for a moment. Huge growth area 12 hours ago from that. All right, you know what, guys, it is time for the open. And for 2 minutes now, let's go ahead. Yeah, wasn't finding anything. Yeah, no problem at all. Of course, I'm glad to double check. We have hit up. Keep portfolio above the margin. It is above the margin. Facebook's doing good. Disney's doing good. King doing good. Sorrento, you're gonna just do beautiful. Let's take a closer look at Sorrento's handles. Oops, that's not the right button. That's the right button right there. Hey, by the way, guys, I remember a little earlier someone was mentioning I could hardly hear me. I assume that got fixed out. Yeah, we're good. All right. Okay. Here, so we're looking at Sorrento. It's not caught up for this morning yet. Not on that graph. All right, so Sorrento's gonna go up. It's gonna do its wave thing. It may have a drop at one point, but I think the sell-off, like normally when the sell-off tries to happen, it's because people are like, all right, let's bring it down low to rebuy it. I think it is possibly so high up to a moment already where they might not want to let it drop yet, because they feel like if it drops, they lose their opportunity for the growth right now. Like, it's such a steady expansion. Knowing just when to jump off is going to be the question of the day or the week, guys. Like I said, when it comes to my end, it was about margin. But look at this. I think I'm out of margin. I don't know what this is really telling me. I have 3,500 in margin. Yo, Jaten, thank you for following. Welcome to the Stock Fam, guys. Also a quick little, like, if I missed anyone else, Jonathan, thanks for the follow, buddy. Hell yeah. Tomer, we said that one. I missed you. I got you there. Yeah, hell yeah. We're caught up. We're good, guys. Perfect. Good. This is one of the only live streams on Facebook that will host will really interacts with this group, makes it to share the stream. Oh, hell yeah, man. Jackson, thanks for encouraging people on that one. But yes, I do my best to do this. LaKendrick, thanks for the follow. Welcome to the Stock Family, guys. Cough, cough. But yeah, let's see what that, stocks got 10,000. I already went over on my day trade, so that's where we are on that. I'm not really focusing on making more purchases today. I'm more focused on watching the current purchases happen. Margin maintenance, I only need 76. Oh, we are well above that. Portfolio again, go up. All right, yeah, no, let's just see how that rolls. It's heading in the right direction in that. Yeah, it's a beautiful number. Last night I was literally went to bed at, I think the portfolio was at 8,000, just about to break it, $100 away, so that was awesome. John, thoughts on, dude, Sorrento is the name of the game today. What do I think on how it'll do? Let's see here. Always keep it on the standby, because like what I think it'll do, it'll possibly drop. You know what? No. I'm like, I was thinking about, like, is today the day where I play the game where I sell it and jump back on if it does a little dollar dip? I don't know if I'm gonna play that game. I think if anything, if it gets down to 1,000, I'll sell. And when I say 1,000, I mean 1,000 profit. I think we're at 4,000 right now. So like for some weird reason it goes crazy. But other than that, let me see. Because like I said, this beautiful. All right, up. Now let's see what direction this Sorrento goes. A lot more sell than buy for the moment. Only for the moment though, but it might just look the other way. All right. No, but this is insane though. Like, I could, in a sense, cash in on it and back out, but like, no, like people said early in the morning, they had already touched 10. And normally what happens is if you have the graph and you go up to any point, and even if it doesn't stay there, it hits 10, comes down. If you're having profits, it's gonna hit back up on that marker. You're gonna see it level out. All right, trading on margin allows you to trade right away instead of waiting 3 days. So margin is exactly that and then some. So margin is not only just borrowed money. It's practically, say you put in $5,000, you buy $5,000 worth of stock, and in good volatile stock. Margin also takes that into account. You know, actually, Yeah, I'm gonna, yeah, as long as I keep eyes on it, of course my mind's gonna do its thing. But yeah, so say you buy $500 worth of stock, whatever. So margin, if you have it and it's great, great stock, great volatility, it will match you practically. So you can buy another $500 worth of stock, so you can double up your profits. So the thing that margin is good with and bad with is, yes, you can use it to double up your profits, but if you get it wrong, you are not only just losing money from what would have been lost, you are losing what you owe them, the bigger chunk of money. So margin is a fine game to play. Like I said, it's a way of maximizing your profits. So when I heard Sorrento, I took a big leap of faith on this one and jumped on it. Like I said, I don't know how long I really should keep it, because like I said, it brought me up in a great portfolio area right here. Like, I'm riding a very thin line right now just doing this. But let's see here. Oh wait, in the meantime, oh, why do you need to wait 3 days if you have cash in your account? Oh, if you're already using all the cash in your account. So say you're using $5,000 or $500 and you want to buy more, it'll let you do just that. So you're like, all right, I'll buy it. It'll let you buy it here and now. So it's like letting you borrow the money. And then when you put in money, it'll make up for the margin that you just borrowed. But it's like tit for tat. So, but once you start thinking of, oh my goodness, waiting 3 days to cash, oh my goodness, I'm sorry, brain fell off. I'm looking at graphs move up and down. But yeah, margin is like, it's like let's see, margin is like safety net. No, it's more like margin is more of, it's not a safety net in a sense, because if it goes bad, it can go bad. I'm constantly watching this. You know what? I think I'm gonna do my woulda, coulda, shoulda moments. I don't. Oh gosh. No. You know what? Like I said, even if I come out with 1,000 good, but I really like the portfolio being above so heavy. Like, that is just so sexy. You know what? No. Let's have this game. Let's play this game together, everybody. But yeah, I used margin on the. See, it went the other way. See, Prescott, settle down, right? I know it's. Look at this. It's gonna shoot up. It's more of, when do I get off this? Is it today? Is it tomorrow? It is. Is it like a credit card? It is. Kind of like a credit card to a degree. Yes, it's almost exactly like that. It's the your broker is loaning you money to buy purchase more stocks, but you owe your broker after that, guys. It's not only letting you borrow money while you're waiting for your money to deposit. It is money on top of that. It is, they are loaning you money, because in an industry like this, if you know you owe somebody money, you owe them a lot of money. So like, it's a good method for them, for brokers to do, but it's awesome as hell for the profit sector. Ethan, what are you thinking of VTIQ? We were looking at last week and thought it was a great buy, and then it dropped badly. Thinking there will be a comeback. Still holding. You know what, VTIQ? This is the one that is going to merge with what was it? Not Tesla, Nikola. VTIQ is gonna group up with Nikola, if I recall. Let's do a quick look at that. Oh my god, what a healthy. Look at that, Sorrento's about to hit 10. All right, let's keep our mind over here. Like I said, I'll see what Sorrento's at more halfway through the day. But yeah, my margin is the only thing that's going to drive me to sell my Sorrento today. So yeah, VTIQ. Let's see what new news we got here. BTIQ, what give us? All right, the news. Let me know why buy these shares. Okay, VT is down again today. That was 2 days ago. Merger. So yeah, sorry, VTIQ. Now I recall why it dropped. There were articles being released Friday saying wait for the merger or closer to the merger, and so people actually backed up and did the exact same. Pre-merger surge drives Nikola value to 12 billion. 4 days ago. Why accusations surging today? Opened lower 4 days ago. I feel what the other question to ask yourself is, what did you buy it at? I believe it'll come back to a degree, but I don't know if you bought it on those mountains. If anything, you might like, is, you know, depending on what price you bought it at, you might have bought it at a long hold. 500,000 share day hold Tuesday. All right. Good morning. What up, Cleeth? Cleeth. I'm so sorry. I hope I didn't ruin that. Zach, what's up? Welcome to the stock family, buddy. All right. Aurora's actually doing pretty good. Like, I'm kicking myself in the butt a little bit that I didn't buy it at 5. It wasn't showing any inclination before the split to be doing better, but no, the marijuana industry, which is actually reminding me, Aurora and Tilray, marijuana companies right now, both doing amazing. They opened up that they did not do as hard as they did. You know, actually, let me just throw down. Oh yeah, okay. It's gonna go a little dippity dip. Let me see. Yeah, Tilray 890. I think Tilray's gonna do fine. I'm gonna actually 12. You know what? That's right. I can't do that. I'm so sorry. I'm trying to kill margin right now. So if I make any other purchase right now and I sell Sorrento and I have margin still used in something else, that screws me over. I mess up because margin isn't depleted. It's not brought to 0. It's none of that. So it's void a little bit. Actually, it's looking so good now. I might not even be in margin anymore to the degree of thinking I have to even it out. Because normally what happens is you will enter margin maintenance. So say you're using margin, everybody, and I guess like I'll show you how to maneuver it around Robinhood, but you're in your account. You have so much margin used, you have so much cash used, and then what you do, actually, he's already riding high as hell. DraftKings already there. You know what? Facebook. Do I have any buying power for you? Oh my goodness, no. I guess it's all right. Yeah, high volatility. That's right. Normally, I would be able to put in around 15,000 all down day with margin and all that stuff, but the high volatility from Sorrento is making it not. So, but yeah, you would go to account. You would go to over here, right here, margin maintenance. So if you're ever using margin, you would have to look at your margin maintenance to know how much you have to have in your account at all times to not be in the red. Once you hit margin maintenance, I believe you have 4 days to come back above it. If you do not, I believe you are forced to sell your shares to make up for what you owe in maintenance. I'm sorry, not in maintenance, but what you owe in margin. And by doing thus, if you get into those scenarios, you might, it's going to dip into whatever cash you had. And so you're filling that up, and thus that's how you lose money, by using margin if you lose money. Scenario, would you add to scenario price points? Ooh, good thing to ask. Actually, yes. Maybe if, like, with Sorrento doing so beautiful as it is, maybe if Sorrento was ducking around $8 here and there, yeah, maybe 950, 940 at this rate. Like, it is running up so steady. Like you said, it was hit $10 this morning. But where's it going to end, dude? This is amazing. See comments that Sorrento CEO is on CBD at 10 o'clock. I'm trying to confirm. Oh, shoot, dude. That's an awesome thing. Steve, let's go ahead and look that up, man. Sorrento CEO. News. Okay. Skyrocketing 2 days ago. Okay. Then nothing to do. Tools. We're going to say all news recent past hour. New antibody completes neutralization of. All right, that's good. Look at this. We even within the last hour, 40 minutes, we're having good articles still pushing out. So that is awesome. Sorrento CEO interview. All 3 days ago. Video interview. July 2020. Why Sorrento is skyrocketing today. Fifth House Friday. Last door. if you guys, if anything about the CEO coming on for an interview or anything like that, post this to the group. By the way, guys, if you are not part of it already, we have a Stock Talk 2020 family gathering group. It is not just this page. We also have a group. If you go to the page, you'll find the button right on the top, link to the group and all that stuff. Go over to it. Actually, if you want to get in on the free $25 Amazon gift card giveaway, follow the page, like the group, share this live Monday Stock Talk video to qualify for that giveaway. The winner will be announced tomorrow after the show, and it's going to be as simple as, you know, we're going to have some digital code to give out. Richard, thanks for the follow, man. Welcome to the Stock Talk family. All right, what's up with mRNA? Minura, if I recall correctly at all? Blop, 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 blop. mRNA. Oh, Moderna. Oh, that's the one that went up over $20 overnight, dude. Oh my goodness. I think it might hit 100 today. I think, yeah, Moderna's gonna hit 100. It's just got so much consistency when it comes to the gain on this overnight. It's, goodness gracious, like, yeah, positive phase 1 coronavirus, like all this. Like, I wish I had some money to go in on this one right now, but like, holy hell. No, great profits, great everything. Appreciate doing this, Richard. Of course, man. No, I do this for all of us. It's an amazing thing we got going on, man. Guinness, actually, I believe it will come back up. If you participate in our family gathering group, we have a good forum right now going on about that one. But yeah, no, the launch is June 15th, I believe, for Guinness. It's going to do nothing but, especially with the 2 weeks leading up to it, the week leading up to it, it's going to gain up, especially if anything, $1. And with such a low price on what it is now, like, it is actually, shit. I mean, oh darn. I mean, oh boy, let's go. Cody, you lost 800 last week, so I need a strong comeback. And I got $90. I got a 90-day ban. Misclicking. Oh my God, what were you clicking on? What service were you using, buddy? Share with me, Cody. Walmart. I don't even have to look it up, buddy. You purchase Walmart if you got the money to do it. It's for a hold. All right, guys. But no, what were we just talking about? Oh yeah, that little company here. Guinness. Where you at, you son of a gun? Were you? All right, whatever. I'm only gonna do it over here. Actually, with a little bounce right there at the very bottom, it dropped down to 129. Let's look at its expansion of the candle graphs. That's not showing candle graphs yet for this morning. Still in pre-day. I think, no, Guinness is more of a cash grab every time it gets lower and lower. Like right now, 70. Like so you know what, 50. Set price limit 120 That way you just can't mess up. 120 per share. Buy. Done. Portfolio. Yeah, and like it's not going to go down. If anything, it's going to go up closer to the 15th. So yeah. No, I'm confident on what the hell we just went in on. Jesus Christ. I mean, oh whoopsie daisy. I mean, we just went in on that genius. So yeah, and I put a 120 input mark in that one. So it's like, you know, if it just dips down a little bit, it's got nowhere to go but a little further up after that. I just realized while we have, yeah, I can get my phone screen up here on the side for all of us to view what's going up on the sides. Yeah, there we go. Beautiful. This is how the setup should have been. I'm sorry for depriving it up till now. Yo, Otto Sir, thanks for the follow, man. Welcome to the Stock family, man. All right. Man, we've had a good steady 100 viewers all day long, man. It's been a beautiful stream. Now with how it's heading, I'm out of margin. It's staying green. It's gonna go up past, dude, it might even hit $13. Like, this is insane. It's very promising. Like I said, I wish I had money for Moderna. Moderna's been amazing. Draft is still moving up. It might hit 35. But yeah, all eyes are right now on Sorrento on my end. Facebook, you're looking silly a little bit, but yeah, my equity 8122. Today's return. Like, yeah, let it roll. Like, holy smokes. Shane made a rookie. Oh, that's right. Was it made a rookie mistake and bought 5,000 Memphis at 170. Oh, buddy, 1 second. And this we'll bounce back. All right, well, it's not getting lower than that. Boom, boom, boom. Remarket up. What did it have overnight? Overnight, it shot up, I assume is what this was. Yeah, over the weekend, it went up the 10 cents. Hopefully that gives it a bounce. Oh, geez, you bought it when? Oh, no, dude, no. Wait, you bought it literally at the tip? Where did it even hit 170? Oh, buddy. So what we can do, let's see. Let's try to make this turn around for you. So you said 5,170. Okay. Let's get our calculator out. Let's see how we can help Shane turn this around, guys. So calculator currently, we're at the 5,170. We're at the 70-cent loss per. You know what, dude? It's so heavy. Jump. If you'd be willing. Whew. Because what was the price stock on that one? 70 cents on the dollar. All right. Put it into Sorrento and ride it with us. If you need to make it back hard, quick, heavy, and you need the best looking scenario, like right now, if Sorrento hits 13, I might jump off it. Like, as much as it got the capacity to keep going, this and that, I think that's where I'm gonna jump off possibly. Like, that is these are some amazing numbers. Like, and it also depends how quick it gets to 13 though. Keep that in mind. Don't just have 13 off as a sell. You want to watch the bar graph go all the way up, the candlestick, and you want to see how fast it gets there, because if it gets there fast, you might not want to put the limit there because you might have some space. So yeah, like Sorrento, we got the graph right up here. I'm just waiting for the open for this guy to reset a little bit better. Here's Sorrento, went down. We're writing it right here, right now, 9:55. Yep. Okay, let's take a look at that candlestick there. It's riding it. It's waiting for more good news, I bet. But like with what I know right now about Sorrento, it's gonna take off again, I believe. Like I said, guys, I can't help but reiterate it. The only struggle I'm having about selling or not is where I'm currently at with my margin. That is it. I did get out of the margin, which is awesome. Great. We went on such an increase, but if anything goes down, I'd be right back into it. So I'm at that point where I'm debating about just jumping out of margin. That's the only reason I've got this little teeter-totter going on in my head. But I think Sorrento might be a quick grab, especially if you're trying to make money back that is lost. I would probably watch it now. It's at 980. Maybe if anything, grab it and just not even wait for it to get to 13. Just sell it at 1050, maybe $11 or something like that. Maybe like 1050 is a very strong one, because that is a good cash grab. It would use a day trade. But the only reason I'm recommending it like this is because that's more of a guaranteed income than anything else. I'm not really here to give financial advice, and to that degree, guys, I'm more of here to talk stocks with you. And then I can tell you how comfortable I can be and things like that, but I can't tell you to put your money in things. This is how you should do it. This is how all that. But no, I feel like that was a pretty hard hit when it came to the darn it, buddy. We were just talking about this. I'm so sorry, Shane. Memphis. It was a very hard hit for sure. But I think we need to find a way to turn that around for you, man. Not that it ever won't go back up to any degree. It's just and this like this dude, Microvision. Yeah, like, who's the one that was gonna get the one with Nicola? That's not this one. That's like that. I'm getting that confused with something else. That's not Envis. Microvisions is totally something else. Let's see here. 2 weeks, 1 week ago. Envis stock target. Whoopsie daisy. Stock target. I don't have no stock target. All right. It is still time to 3 hours ago. Okay, listen. All right. In the sense of, all right, is it time to buy it? In the sense of where it wasn't, they're like, this article is going to talk about where it was a year ago. These are long holds. When it comes to that spike where you bought it on, dude, I don't think it'll get back to that spike soon. Let me do one last verification. I feel like, in my own head, of, like you said, you bought that at the, yeah, do a fave. You might want to jump now while it has its profits that it got from last night's pre-market and all that stuff. I'm gonna ask you to do a favor, Shane. If you do this, no woulda, coulda, shoulda, buddy. No looking back at Microvision and saying, hey, it just went up 15 cents. It went up 20 cents. None of that. Don't do that to yourself, all right? This is the stock market. You don't know when things are gonna have, like, you don't know when that'll happen, all right? Stock market game is all about best educated guesses, consistency with those guesses to get the profits, all right? I hate to hear that that's where you entered in on that, but you know what? I'm glad to have you part of the stock family, bro. Like, what we can do, like you said, it was a rookie mistake. This family here is to help you get out of just that. We can help you try to rise from it and learn from it and go from there. Like, this is, like, my goodness, dude. Like, when it comes to the last 4 months, everyone being on the stay-at-home order and all that stuff, we have a whole lot of new investors out there. A lot of mistakes being made. There is no judgment, especially this is what the niche is like when it comes to this group right here. We will not judge you for such things like that. If anyone's going like, oh, why'd you go in when it was so high? It would be like, you know, if anything, we are talking with you, man. We are not talking you down. No, nothing, none of that here. All we're going to be talking about, like I said, we talked it through. What can we turn from it? What can be better? All I see is Microvision going down currently right now in that pre-market. I hope whatever choice you make, you're confident with it. Like I said, dude, I watched the screen right now. It was at 98, 90, drops back down. It's not a woulda, coulda, shoulda thing. This is, but yeah, it's up to you, man. For every bit it goes up. Nice. Like, it actually might find that 93 mark here, but it's so uncertain. Especially if it was going to have that up in the, what is it, overnight, it came up so many cents, and if it's already going to lose it pre-market, this is what's making me indefinite about it. Like we're watching it together. I get that it might come back, but yeah, it's one of those moments, guys. So I hope that advice would be taken in as such, and that you acknowledge what I mean by take what I say with a grain of salt, and hopefully I hope that you do value what I say to a certain degree, where you can take it as so, you know, as a second opinion. I hope you value me enough as your second opinion that helps you make a choice. Yeah, man. I'm glad that I could help you out with that. I'm glad I saw your comment. And moving on here, what else we got? Let's see, would a be $9 profit can't be too greedy? Nah, I know, right? So like, where are we at right now, Sorrento? Like, I picked up Sorrento at 469. I lucked out. But yeah, no, Sorrento, where were you at, man? This little bump. But yeah, do your thing. It's gonna do. Oh, here we go. I think we might have found our little bump. Oh, don't do it. Just refrain. It's one of those moments where everyone's gonna try to sell, but then again, people are jumping on. Yeah, this is the jump on price. 930, all this yada yada. I'm all thinking, hey, I should jump off to jump back on just in case. I have to have more confidence in this. You know what? Let's do this. I will appropriate my confidence in this stock with how confident I feel in our articles I've seen. Everything I've seen about this stock, Sorrento, makes me very comfortable. I've seen 2 interviews so far of what it is, and it is very promising. It's a breakthrough. It's very simple. It's always saying, like, they're so confident to the point where they're saying this will help you. It'll push out the COVID within 4 days. It might not help the most infected people, which is understandable. Like, to come back from that would be a crazy feat, but they are onto something. So you know what? I have great confidence in them. Like I said, my main driving point was my margin, but I have confidence that this could hit. Yeah, it can hit 12 by midday, all that stuff. Yeah, I have the confidence in this one, guys. And until that changes, until my reason of why I purchased it changes, I would get it. I'm gonna stay in it for a bit. Mainly thing that could change is if for any reason it's not as effective, or not even just that, it's going to take a while for the human trials to start, so there'll be a dip in that no matter what. So you know what, actually I think there'll be a dip no matter what happens right now. Let's go ahead and bring up our... Oh, did we end up getting Guinness? Did it drop down to the... No, okay. I have Guinness bought at 120, so if we ever see it drop to 120, we're gonna have it. There's a meeting tomorrow for MVIS. Oh, it looks like it, I guess. MVIS meeting. We can go to who's the meeting with, guys? No, I'd like to know a bit good on that one. Lashiro, good morning. How's it going? Welcome to Stock Talk. Uh-oh, Sorrento's doing a thing right now. Yeah, Sorrento's definitely doing things. So let's watch the book a little heavy right now. It's going to do its sell-off. All right, so now here's that what it coulda shoulda part. So if you didn't sell off now for this dip, we're gonna hold on now because it's gonna come back up. So here's the sell-off where everyone's gonna be like, oh, let's get a little bit of extra cash, but it's gonna get picked up right here and right now. They're gonna be like, nope, going back the other way. Let's see. Come on. And if there's like any heavy drop for this for any reason whatsoever, especially if there is no new news, let's go Sorrento. 3 hours ago. Yep. Surges on it. Okay. So Sorrento might do a like its dip right now. It's gonna do. Oh wow. Holy smoke! It's gonna launch. Did you guys see that over there on the right side? That did a funky thing. That was weird. All right. Look at this. It's all sell. Best ask, best bid, 13. Best ask. 1 second, guys. I think something weird is happening right now, but there's nothing wrong when it comes to Sorrento itself. Like I said, we went through all this, but something weird is happening. I'm gonna actually let's enjoy this now. I'm coming through, accepting to the part that something funky is happening, and so funky to the point where I like, is this showing through on your end, guys? What's it reading like? Let's see here. Apparently, MSTL will be making an announcement about something. Any ideas? Okay, that's this. All right. 86, 82 on Moderna. Oh, I wonder if it's a big sell across. Let's look at the. All right, yeah, quite a few things are dipping right now, just across. I wonder what that could be. Yeah. All right, let's see. Facebook still doing its thing. Disney still doing its thing. Guinness. Guinness is going up. Beautiful. I lost my little. I'll talk my game about Guinness. Me putting in 50 ain't gonna do nothing for me. We attempted to cancel the order, but received. They were like, no. What? You know what? Maybe it did it. Did it buy? I don't know. Something weird's happening. Click. Oh, it says I don't have it. Yeah, get rid of it. Don't need it. All right, cool. All right, moving on from that one. The app froze. That's what that was, right? Okay, I was curious. Yeah. Duck out of the app. Oopsie daisy. All right. Oh yeah, that was a weird dip. All right, look at that. Weird. Okay. So yeah, Sorrento doing a weird thing right now with 862. Expand on that. Pixel. This is, yeah, I think, is this the app in general right now? I think it's even the Robinhood app. Uno momento. Por favor. What does this mean, right? So normally this is not how the book looks. Spread. It's at a sell of $7. We're not at $7. It's at a buy of 13. Like, what in the hell? Was that stale for this the longest time for a moment? Actually, that's when I should have just jumped on it. What am I doing? Did it cancel the Guinness? If it cancels properly this time, let's all find out. What will JCPenney's do? I don't know, dude. File their bankruptcy, look for another crazy loan, and come back with just not as hard at all. Like, JCPenney's is going to be just weird. Dude, it's not letting me get rid of my Guinness hold. So that's lame. That's like $90 being held, but whatever. I guess if it buys, it buys it. We've attempted to cancel overreach information. Whatever. All right. Count? Yeah, dude, this is being screwy. Real screwy. But yeah, all right, moving on. We're gonna have a little more faith in when it comes to Sorrento. Oh, look at that. I believe my margin settled out at least, so maybe I can. Oh, new margin. Shucks. All right. Hard sell off. Hell yeah, dude. The market paused Sorrento trading. Is that what it was? Because it just went so hard. See, damn. Like, if anything, they just like it was it was heavy sell. Everyone was just like, "Fuck this," and I'm like, "Whoa!" Well, I mean, everyone was like, "Whoa, forget this." But yeah, that was insane. But with the news though, I think that was everyone just selling off heavy profits. Heavy profits is all that was. I think it's gonna shoot right back up to where it was and then some now. And we might not see a drop like that again. Like if you were able to purchase during that dip, I think that may have been the moment. I think that really might have been the moment. Oh yeah, now Guinness is out of the way. Okay, so let me see if I could update this one. Oh, I have no day trades. If I buy, I cannot sell anything. If I need to sell, I can't do that. Oh. Yeah. I'm gonna refrain from that one. Okay. Go to DraftKings. DraftKings ain't gonna go nowhere. Buy 3 of those. Yeah, my goodness. Why do I keep feeling I have to throw money down if I have it? I need to just calm down. Disney's going right back to where I pictured it. 115, and then some. Perfect. It's kind of like where I pictured Disney going. Whoa. Yeah, exact. Beautiful. Like that's the upkeep I need. I had 60 in Disney prior, but I put it all in Sorrento. Hey, look at Sorrento's back up at that 920. I really feel like it's gonna just push itself past $12 all of a sudden, maybe because they're gonna be like, after that sell-off, maybe we got to get on this one and be part of the next one. But yeah, let's see that. Let's go back to that Sorrento logbook here. A lot less buy, a lot sell, but it's 920, 912. Gonna stick around $9 for a moment. Yeah, hopefully that should just turn right back around. Hey, my buddy, what do you got here? 15 Delta Air market value. Oh, he put all this stuff in Delta. Oh, nice, buddy. Let's see what we got. Possession value 100, quantity 700. So this is my buddy Cesar right here. He's sharing with me how he just put down 743 in Delta, and log shot going. He went for the buy at 1930. Go ahead and look at it. Curious about what he's expecting to have turn around from all this. Todd, thanks for the follow, man. Welcome to the Stock Talk family. And by the way, if you haven't caught on or read it down below, we have a giveaway. It's going to be taking place tomorrow is when the winner will be announced. But if you, like the group, if you follow the page and share the live Monday talk, this one right here, you will qualify for a $25 Amazon gift card giveaway. The winner will be announced tomorrow's show after. But yeah, no, get in on that right here, right now, guys. Don't want to lose it. But yeah, Delta. Hefty. All right, so he's in on Delta. It had its punch up from last night. He got in at, what was it again? 1913. All right, good profit so far. 19. Oh, dude. What time did he order it? Average price. Oh, time filled. Oh, he bought that on the 14th. Oh, dude. Look at that. All right, so so far, what's he looking at? He's looking at 743 times the profit so far. I'd say let's go 21. You got it at $2, practically $2 per. Yeah, dude, great profit, man. A nice grab. Selling. Few-day spike. All right, that is awesome. Good for you, buddy. That's awesome. All right. So still over here at Sorrento, we're hovering that $9. No, remember, guys, this is how stocks work. We're gonna have this graph going up and down today, and it's also a Monday. As much as it is a solid Monday, guys, it's gonna do its wave, of course. Let's see there. You can see it's getting there. Where it goes. Look at Disney. Disney's going on up. It's beautiful. That's everything I dreamed for it to be. Let's see. Yeah, how it goes. How, dude? My hat's off towards you, buddy. I hope you get there. Disney's doing good. Sorrento's doing its weird thing, but like my main thing. Remember, Sorrento was at $7 this morning, guys. $7. Anything that happens right now, profit. Hell, like just when it went up to $1, not even $7, when it went up to $6, profit. Shouldn't worry about these things. All right, look at this. It's at $9. We watched it dive for a moment. We're just like, huh, this is gonna be insane. Is this it? No, guys. This is the cure to COVID. Like, it's gonna get taken care of, I believe here. So let's see. It's gonna be, it's gonna be a lot of buy, sell, but it's gonna rise up to what it met earlier in the day, which was that $10 mark. We all saw it. I think it's gonna rise back up to it. Share this with 3 people. Carlos, hell yeah, man. Dude, I love to hear that. I also see that you got your top fan badge, man. I see D Patel has a share badge. Hell yeah. But yeah, you know, you do your thing, Sorrento. Like I said, tomorrow will be the sell day. If I only make 1,000, make 1,000. All right. But yeah, constantly looking up news on Sorrento. Good stuff every day. For the weekend, it was great. Let's walk away from this. We're gonna walk away from Sorrento for a moment, guys. go ahead. We have about 10 minutes left of the stream. Let's go ahead and resort over to our chat. Me and my brother-in-law have been watching it. When the dip happened, I called him and he bought it during the dip. Thanks for the live coverage. Dude, Ethan, hell yeah, man. I'm glad to know that we caused like profit to you, man. We bringing our viewers money is what I want to do. Like, as much as I say, like, I'm not here to tell you where to put your money and this and that, but you're here with us in the morning. You're seeing how the stocks are fluctuating and all that stuff. So that is an awesome story, Ethan, to hear. I love it, man. Thank you so much for sharing that with everybody. And I'm glad to hear that he got on the train here with us. Like, your brother-in-law is gonna be so thankful for you, man. All right. Not just that. Tell him about the stream. All right. Then he can start jumping out of himself. Say good morning to you every morning through the stream. That'd be tight, right? What a brotherly love, brother-in-law, getting together like that, saying good morning every day. Come on, it's a good story to tell. All right. Do I think I should get in with no day trades on us? You know what? That's a good question. I think possibly yes. Like it's almost yeah, tomorrow is the day that we're all picturing the profits from it, really. If you got no day trades, like it's not gonna be low, but what you have to do, don't just grab it now. What you're gonna want to do is go to right here, you want to go find a bar graph or the candlestick graph and look how low it can dip. All right, it actually shot back up. The lowest dip is at 858 in the green. Then it went to 890. I probably put a, like, even if you're gonna buy it right here and now, even though it's like at 920, 9 out of that, I'd probably put a $9, maybe a 910 purchase on it. Holy smokes! All right. But no, that was a quick little sell-off because they saw it going on the high. It was at $10. That's what happened. Look at this. Everybody look at the graph. So that big crazy sell-off that happened 5, 10, 15, 20 minutes ago, just about, it hit $10. People had it set up on the thousands, I'm thinking, to sell it once it hit 10. Those people backed up. That ceiling is no longer where it was. So now when we watch this rise, it's going to go past the 10, guys. I believe it. Like, I think that's exactly what happened. It hit 10. It just went up like that. It was about to launch. It was going to continue going if it wasn't there, of course. But it hit it. It hit $9.99. Look at that. Bam. $10. Sold. Right down the book is what happened, I'm guessing. And then the people watched it drop a little bit more, and they're like, oh, this is time to grab it back. Green line. I think this next candlestick will also be green. We'll see a little bit of red. I think it's people just wanting to grab. Let's see it. But my guess is we should see green again. Yeah, it should look like this. What I'm thinking. That's how the Friday. Is that what that is? No, that's this morning. Yeah, we should see a little bit more of that, especially if it was this morning. So green. Let's make sure all those sell caps are gone. Like, that was insane. Probably we'll see it how high it goes. Although on this one, I got it really good entry on Friday. Oh yeah, you did, dude. I'm impressed. So overnight. He doesn't normally go overnight, so I'm impressed that he did. That's awesome. And yeah, Disney's being beautiful. It's gonna launch right up to kind of like they're realizing it's. Oh my God, look at that green. Yeah. You have Sorrento to keep doing your thing. I'm half debating about pulling out of Sorrento just to go into something else. Not fully out of Sorrento, like maybe like 350 shares or something like that. But it's gonna definitely slow down what I got going on already, so I'm gonna hold. What a great conversation to have about fighting Sorrento or not. But the original reason, like I said, was to get out of that margin. We're out of it. I don't see it anywhere. My margin line's all the way down there. My new margin account is at 94. Oh, actually, I'm 300 away from that still. So, yeah. I'm like I said, I might still do my thing. I don't know yet. I might have to watch it. ACB, it's been doing good over the weekend. Is it still doing good? Yeah, they realized, you know what? Just fuck, man. Yeah, what in the hell? This is insane. Look at that. I'm just gonna throw it at it. See what it does. Like, this is insane. Like, I'm always for the weed purchases and whatnot, but like after that split, it went to 5 to 10 to 15. Like, I'm waiting for it to settle, but like, you know, let's just let it gain a little bit. Let's I'll let that sit there. Today's return. Yeah, and if it loses anything, it's just a little on the side, whatever. Sorrento, you do your thing, come back, give me money. But yeah, remember, today is still a Monday, guys, to a certain degree. Even though the stock markets are doing great, Tuesdays are usually better, no matter what. Starbucks, I can't wait to get my hand in that. Beyond, I've hardly looked at Beyond today. Beyond is, its new average is 140, I believe. Like, it can get up to 160. You can get there. It was just waiting for the news. 135. This is right here is where you would grab. Yeah, you would grab Beyond as it goes down right now because it's gonna come back to 140. It always does. Yeah. So that's a grab moment on Beyond. Facebook, Disney, Draft, Toronto, AUCB. All right. Let it ride, everybody. Let it ride. So yeah, no, ACB, I'm going to talk about this real quick, especially since I've been so hard on this one. You survived for cut losses because it plateaued. Then it didn't just double, dude. It tripled. It tripled. Yeah. I normally saw hard to look past it when it's the top movers. I get it, Ethan. Let's do it together. That woulda, coulda, shoulda. Oh crap. My headphones are gone. All right, but yeah, that woulda, coulda, shoulda moment on Ace. Like, no one could have saw this coming. Hardly. They just said straight up, we weren't hurt from the March. We weren't hurt from March, and so they went right back to where they were prior, and it's been insane. It's like I've always wanted my foot in the marijuana industry and all that stuff, and I guess Aurora Cannabis is going to be the one. Like, from prior, it seemed like it was a real crap idea almost because it was just 70 cents, 70 cents, 70 cents or whatever. Like, it revived itself, guys. Like I don't know how the hell it did it. Like, you know, it's gonna probably find itself down, but I like having my hand in just in it. Here, especially since I haven't had much in it. Woulda, coulda, shoulda, but sold. No, exact. I get you, man. But hey, it's the stock market life, right? Stock market life. There's gonna be other opportunities. Other than that, every day is just about feeling good, man. Like, as long as you got this and good morning to us every day, like, what can you lose, right? No, I'm joking. You can lose money still, but you can't lose that. Can't lose that. So yeah, Aurora Cannabis, I feel confident in it now more so than ever. I've always been confident in the marijuana industry, especially. Ooh, it's gonna take right off. It will. It's more of just, this has been a really rocky time and all that stuff. But man, maybe that split at $5. Woulda, coulda, shoulda. Who knew, dude? ACB was doing so bad for so long. It wasn't having the good articles. And then it did. And then all of a sudden they were just like, we weren't doing so bad, this and that. Like, I wish they took care of their publicity much further than before that. Why? I don't know why they let their stock drop that low when they were running well enough to say they didn't do that bad. Like, it's insane. But yeah, man. Thanks, Pierre, for the letting me know about another great show, man. Like, I do my best to do this, to make this as entertaining as I can. Like, holy smokes, guys! Like, just to be able to talk without having that break in there, and just to know that I have 90 people right here watching me, that you guys are listening, and to just not stop and slow down. It's a skill to learn in its own. Like, I will admit, I was doing streaming gaming a little bit before this, and so you kind of had to practice. Alex, welcome to the stock family here, man. Thanks for being. Am I still holding Sorrento? Hey, buddy, I am. Oh yes. Oh yes. Let's see. I got a very rare buy signal on my daily chart. Yep, good. Definitely has all my room to do. If he said, yep, good. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Thinking to sell at 12 to 13 by 2. Okay. Put that up. We'll hit one more refresh on our Sorrento news up here. Sorrento Therapeutics. 2 days ago, yada 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 yada. 2 days ago, hours ago, 1 hour ago. Implied volatility surging for Sorrento. Oh, let's read this one right here. I don't like volatility. Implied volatility surging for Sorrento stock options. What is implied volatility? Implied volatility shows how much movement in the market. Okay, yes, we know it's very volatile. What do the analytics think? Looking for trade options. Nah, I ain't gonna worry about that. Who knows? Like, are you the stupid article that possibly caused that flux? That was ridiculous. Yeah, let's go back to portfolio. Sorrento's gonna do its crazy ass roller coaster, like I said, dude. People are gonna be buying on its lows most likely. But yeah, beautiful stock. Like I said, guys, everyone has their scenario. You might want to sell it today. I might want to sell it today. We don't know what it'll top out at. It'll be like, it could just jump at that 13, and you might want to just say, hey, it was a great turn. Might want to just do that. But as of right now, we're gonna watch the stocks. We can easily do it by watching the books, watching the don't forget to watch the candlestick charts, guys. But yes, this right here is a great factor. It's a big sell right now. Big sell, big sell, big sell. So it's gonna dip for a moment. But I feel like it's right now it's a money mover. As soon as people are waking up further into the day, and I think it'll flux. And if not, like I said, guys, I was just looking for $1,000 cash grab Friday, and it turned into a 4. So like, you know, I can't really go wrong with this, and no one else should really be able to either. All right. All right. This has been a great episode, guys. Like I said, 5:30 a.m. all the way to 7 a.m. post standard time. And what I would like to do now is give one last reminder. If you want to get in on the $25 Amazon gift card giveaway, this is going to happen every Monday. So hit the follow on the page, like the group, share the live Stock Talk Monday video, and that will qualify you for that. We will be here same time tomorrow, 5:30 a.m. Have your caffeine ready. Which one's my full one? Oh, geez, I got to start finishing my drinks. All right, so 5:30, early morning, guys. We could talk about our today's stories. No matter what happens, guys, know this: if your day goes bad, it goes good. Whatever happens, we're all gonna be right here, 5:30 post standard time, saying good morning to each other, talking it through, talking about if any mistakes were made. We may talk it through how to fix it, guys. Like together. This is amazing, guys. Group hug, everybody. Group hug. It's been great. I'm going to be posting up in just a moment in the group. I'm pretty sure we have more than a few new followers now in the group. So we're going to go ahead and give them a group hug in there, tag them all, say hello. And that's where the conversation is going to continue, guys. It does not stop in the live video. We're going to jump on over in the family gathering group, and that's where we move on. I hope to see you there myself. I'm going to get some sleep. Other than that, guys, it's been fun as hell. All right, have a good one. And until next time, peace out.
Oh, thanks for sharing.
Don't let your dreams be dreams. Yesterday, you said tomorrow. So just do it! Make your dreams come true! Just do it! Some people dream of success while you're gonna wake up and work hard at it. Nothing is impossible. You should get to the point where anyone else would quit, and you're not gonna stop there. No, what are you waiting for? Do it! Just do it! Yes, you can! Just do it! If you're tired of starting over, stop giving up.
Get me high, I know right away. We be chasing our hearts till we end up falling. Young and alive, we were runaways in a wasted summer. Chemicals in a foreign car. We took a moment, made it last forever. We found love laying under the stars. Made in July in a wasted summer. In a wasted summer. In a wasted summer.
Fill me out with your smile, like the sunshine brings the light. Fill me out with a flame, I will let you in this game. Take me out when I'm down, 'cause with you I'm safe and sound, 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 safe and sound.
All right, guys, I am heading out myself. For all the stragglers, just kind of sticking it in the stream right now. We've just been kicking it while practically credits roll by, you know? So, you know, thank you for everyone that just kind of sticked around for there. It means a lot that you just leave the video up and running. That, like, seriously, that's kind of awesome. But yeah, thank you so much, guys. I'm going to hit you up tomorrow, 5:30, early in the morning. Don't forget to follow the page so you get the notifications when we go live. Don't forget to like the group, the StockTalk 2020 Family Gathering group, and don't forget to share this video right here. It's not even too late yet to share this Monday video to your favorite stock group, whatever have you, and it'll qualify you for the $25 Amazon gift card giveaway that will be released tomorrow. At the end, we'll announce the winner. All right, guys, once again, thank you so much for kicking it with me today, and I'll see you tomorrow, guys. But then this time you were first. Hell yeah, man. Good morning, dude. What up, D? Kenny? Deanna? Jake? What's up, guys? Good morning, everybody. Jump on in. Get comfortable. Nathan, thanks for liking the stream already, man. Great way to start off the day. Everyone, if you could, like the stream. It's going to push us to the front of all the group coverage you shared to. So, if you could, go ahead and share us to one of your favorite groups, because now it'll qualify you for our giveaway, which is a $25 Amazon gift card, which is going to be decided through Monday through Tuesday, which is on Monday. If you are following the page, if you like the group, and if you share this video, the Monday Stock Talk Live video, anywhere throughout the day, if you get in here this morning, if you get in here in the middle of the video, if you get in here at the end of the video, if you come even after it's live, if you share the video, if you are following the page, if you're sharing the, follow the page, liking the group, and share the video, qualifies you for the $25 gift card, which we will announce the winner tomorrow after the show. And so go ahead and get that all going, get comfortable, say good morning to everybody. I'm just going to go ahead and just give our last little, the last share to the group. We are live. Let's all talk stock. Alrighty. Oh, son of a gun. I made this mistake last time, so what I do is, and I'll close myself. Get this out there, guys. Following the page, if you like the group already, liking the group and share the video qualifies you for the $25 gift card, which we will to my two groups that I'm familiar with, which is my Stock Market 2020, and then I have a streamer supported group, which they also help out. They actually have a good few amount of followers now that have come from the streamers group growing. and they've done a good effort in helping us grow, and it's an amazing group in general. So yeah, we're gonna get this taking off. It's 5:30 already. Look at that. It is time. Man, time flew by. So what's up, guys? Andrew, thanks for sharing the stream, guys. So yes, if you didn't hear already, we have new rules for the $25 Amazon gift card giveaway. So let's go ahead. Let's transfer on over here. Let's get the music all quiet. And let's go ahead and just tell the rules one more time before we get the show going. If you are following the page, if you like the group already and you share Monday's Stock Talk Live, you get qualified for the $25 gift card giveaway, which will be announced tomorrow after the stream. But all you have to do is just be here with us kicking it. Of course, you know, to qualify, you don't really have to be here, because you just have to like us, share us. But I would like to think that you are getting the full experience and that you are here with us. So yes, good morning, everybody. How's it going? Oh my goodness, what a night to wake up from, right? Oh my goodness, what a weekend. It was insane. Can't hear you that good, brother. All right, good, heads up. Lower the music. Music's down. All right, how about that? Give me a good test 1 2, everybody. How we looking? I see this. Let me just double check that we're going through the correct speaker system. Yeah. All right. All right, guys. Yeah. Good morning. So it's been a crazy weekend. Yesterday, Friday, ended with how did it go? Finding out about Sorrento. We found out Sorrento Friday. Here, let me get a little more comfortable here. And so, what Sorrento has brought us was this craziness that you can see. Let's see, after hours, it went up $2,000 in the after hours. Like, how insane is that? Like, when does that normally happen? So yes, if you weren't here with us on Friday, we found out about Sorrento literally in the day. Johnny, thanks for hitting the follow, buddy. Glad to have you part of the stock family here. But yeah, we found out about Sorrento midday. If you go back to Friday's video, you can find it about in the 1 hour 23-minute mark. I believe it was Albert who brought it up to us in the chat, and he just gave us a quick shout out of early in the morning. Hey, take a look at the Sorrento. It's taken off already. It was at $4 when he brought it up. It was at $4 flat even. I ended up being able to jump on it at $4.60. They're like, if you watch the video, you'll see it got a little chaotic to a certain degree, because I'm like, oh, my money's already placed in places, and I'm just like, look at this Sorrento. Like, I'm all about the woulda, coulda, shoulda. You know, like if I didn't get on it, you know, let's not kick ourselves in the butt too hard about it. If there's anyone out there that didn't get in on it, don't kick yourself too hard in the butt about it. Like, there's always going to be opportunities in the stock market, okay, guys? Like, and the mere fact that something was missed is just it comes with the stock market, guys. It's nothing to kill yourself over here. Aaron, thanks for hitting that follow. You're gonna love it here, dude. Somebody give that guy a hug. All right. But yes, we were able to buy 854 shares of the like I said, Sorrento. Stuff's doing amazing. Closed at 720. Like, oh my goodness, dude. I woke up in the middle of the night, like at 1:30 a.m. over here, Pacific, and just used the restroom, and I looked down at my phone, and all of a sudden Sorrento's up at $9, and I'm just like, I'm gonna go back to sleep with some good dreams tonight. Like, man, dude, like you're usually a hit and miss when it comes to waking up in the middle of the night using the restroom to, should I look at my phone? Like, you know, it's like there's nothing you can do about it. Like, should you be looking at your phone? And you know, I went against my better. Belinda, thank you for liking the stream. Things like that help us get noticed, guys. But yeah, I looked at it and I saw a 9. I saw the account was looking up all in the plus. It was looking beautiful. It's been a good morning so far, guys. So what things we're going to really be talking about right now is yeah, did it really actually hit 10? Dude, if it actually touched 10, then it's going to be, oh my goodness. I can see it going back to it. But now the question is, on my end, is, see, now this is the question. If it's hit a hold or sell or anything like that, normally I would say this would be a hold. Sorrento is sounding so damn promising right now that it is, it's going to be, it sounds like it is going to be what helps us out here, to the point. Whoa, I missed a big step, everybody. Big step. All right, we're caught up. All right. But yeah, oh man, it hit 1030. Let's see. Okay, it touched 10. That's insane. So I'm gonna share with you what I'm gonna do. This isn't what everyone needs. Like, you know, this isn't the must or anything like that. This is what I'm gonna do. So I'm finding a lot of great articles about Sorrento. It's very extremely promising. Like, it's to the point where, like, you know, if you jumped off and it kept going, you'd kick yourself in the butt about it. But you know what? I practiced the woulda, coulda, shoulda, and with how I'm looking at it, I may just wait for the stocks to open up and see which way direction it goes quick. And like, it's obviously going up. I'm gonna let it do its thing. I'm gonna watch it. But if it drops, if I see it start going down towards $7 again, like if I see it go drastic, like I might just toss it, because like I said, let me show you my portfolio currently. I used a lot of margin when it came to this one. Jessica, thanks for the follow. Laura as well, thank you for liking the stream. Guys, we have all this family just surrounding us. This is amazing. But yeah, so we're right here right now, and my conundrum is I use so much margin that I'm at a point where I'm like, should I just use this great wave to get out of where I was? And like, you know, I had some little dips right there at the beginning, but this is a great one to bring you out of it. Great one to start over. This is a great portfolio maker right here. And I'm debating about, I'm like, should I just jump at the top of the spike and reinvest elsewhere? And it's starting to sound a little tempting to do. I think it might be what I do, especially hearing with it topping so high. But my goodness, that is just showing the capacity of what it can turn into as well at the same time. Like, I've watched the interviews with this company so far, and it sounds like they got their stuff right. They're very confident in this. It's no ifs, whats, or buts. They're using the term 100%, guys. Like, when you're in a lab form, you know how rare it is that you can use those numbers. Like even to them, they would be saying 99%, like normally you would think, right? They're using the words 100%. And with their track record, like how long they've been around for the past 5 years and things like that. Very structured job, like structured business, very structured. And now that they got this breakthrough, I think that, oh my goodness, guys, it's going to be amazing. Elizabeth, thank you for liking the stream. Heck yeah, guys. Let's see. Actually, let me go down the list real quick, guys, because this stream is doing off so well that I usually do my shout outs to anyone that is joining the stock fam within the morning. So hit follow if you haven't already, because I'm about to go down the list of names that, you know, if you want to have your name even attempted real quick right here, this is it. So in the last 10 minutes, we've had Nathan, Blue, Clay, Michael, Angela, Shawl, Andrea, Amit, Nigel, Crystal, Diane, Eddie, Grace. We've had Tony, Johnny, Herb, Olo, Chris, Aaron, Belinda, Chris, Jackson, Kyle, Robert, Steve, D again, of course, Jessica, Trisha, Jimmy, Lowell, Marco, Nikki, Elizabeth, Brian, Brad, Dale, Chris, Fernando, Zach, Nick, Nichelle, T, Boxing, Josh, and Yesenia. Oh my goodness, I'm so sorry for butchering that. Yesenia. That's a very beautiful name. Yesenia. Yesenia. It's even a bit more beautiful than it was the first time. Yesenia. Yesenia. That's a Yesenia, beautiful name. I want to see that back here in the chat, all right? All right, guys. But yeah, thank you for liking the stream. Thank you for showing the love. So let's go ahead and get into the stock talk, you know? My goodness. So yeah, guys, that name of the game, when it called that Sorrento, like, this is some insane stuff, guys. Like you said, it hit 10. Thoughts on shooting up since Friday? I think what is it, when it comes to DraftKings is probably going to settle around probably 31. I think it's at a great settle right now. I think it might push 31. I only think that because as of Friday they gave the bullish like one analyst gave it the highest mark of T-Boxing. Thanks for that follow, man. Hell yeah. But one analyst gave it the highest rating so far of the $33, right? But it was only one analyst so far. It gave it its jump. I believe it's also the one analyst that's going to help kind of tip this towards that 33, but I don't think it's going to get there all alone because of his one analysis. But I think his analysis is helping it push in that direction. And had more than
Go
a few
ahead
articles.
and log on to LexiCore 5.
So I really think it's going to lean towards more like, 31
first if you want.
is where I think it'll be 30, 31. If we ever see it hovering down 27, 26, that's when you grab it. But even right now, even when it comes to DraftKings, oh shit, dude, they're 31.42. Oh my goodness, you know what? I take a little bit of it back. So I said this with the expectations of today being, Monday. I forgot that when I woke up this morning, I'm hearing that the Dow is doing amazing compared to last week. Like it's making up for whatever it's lost. Like last week's Monday was Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Like we had a 3-day Monday last week. It was insane. But today, yes, I think we might have a green Monday, everybody. When it comes to Sorrento, it's all about when it tops off.
Yes, Bubba. No.
But then this time you were first. Hell yeah, man. Good morning, dude. What up, D? Kenny? Deanna? Jake? What's up, guys? Good morning, everybody. Jump on in. Get comfortable. Nathan, thanks for liking the stream already, man. Great way to start off the day. Everyone, if you could, like the stream. It's going to push us to the front of all the groups that we're going to be shared to. So if you could, go ahead and share us to one of your favorite groups because now it'll qualify you for our giveaway, which is a $25 Amazon gift